Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to turn on profile view history on TikTok. So after you turn on profile view history on TikTok, then you'll be able to see who has viewed your profile on TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. In case you haven't updated the application, then you might not be able to access the feature, so then make sure to update your application. Now what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after that tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. In case you don't have an account on TikTok, then you'll not be able to turn on your profile view history. So right over here you can see in the top right corner there is a foot icon or a mini foot icon. Just tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page there is a guideline, so make sure to go through it, and after that tap on turn on. You can see that the profile view has been turned on, and now all you have to do is wait patiently or wait until 30 days in order to check who has viewed your profile. So that is how you can turn on your profile view history on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.